Hello P2 and P3. Welcome to week 2, listen and do, bubbles. You will need your bubble worksheet from your week 2 literacy pack, a pencil, one red crayon or colouring pencil, one blue crayon or colouring pencil, one green crayon or colouring pencil, one yellow crayon or colouring pencil, and one orange crayon or colouring pencil. You can pause the video to collect everything that you need. I will say each instruction twice. After you hear the instruction for the second time, pause the video so you have time to complete the task. I will show you a picture of my completed drawing at the end of the video to see if we have done the same. Okay, let's get started. Instruction number 1. Write your name at the bottom of the page. Write your name at the bottom of the page. Instruction number 2. Colour the girl's hair ribbon red. Colour the girl's hair ribbon red. Instruction number 3. Put a circle around the smallest bubble. Put a circle around the smallest bubble. Instruction number 4. Colour the biggest bubble blue. Colour the biggest bubble blue. Instruction number 5. Draw a bubble bigger than all the others. Draw a bubble bigger than all the others. Instruction number 6. Colour the bubble the girl is blowing green. Colour the bubble the girl is blowing green. Instruction number 7. Find the freckles on the girl's face and go over them with yellow. Find the freckles on the girl's face and go over them with yellow. Instruction number 8. If the girl is blowing to make the bubbles, draw in a line to show where the air from her mouth must be going. If the girl is blowing to make the bubbles, draw in a line to show where the air from her mouth must be going. Instruction number 9. Colour the girl's hair orange. Colour the girl's hair orange. And the last instruction, instruction number 10. If you think she uses water to make the bubbles, colour the smallest bubble blue. But if you think she uses dishwashing liquid, colour it green. If you think she uses water to make the bubbles, colour the smallest bubble blue. But if you think she uses dishwashing liquid, colour it green. Okay, so now we have completed our bubble worksheet. Does yours look like mine? If not, that's okay. We are going to go back over the instructions, picking out the keywords from each instruction. Okay, the first instruction was to write your name at the bottom of the page. So the keyword there is bottom, and as you can see, my name is at the very bottom of the page. The second instruction was to colour the girl's hair ribbon red. So you had to go and find the hair ribbon and the keyword there is red. So you had to find your red colouring pencil or crayon and colour the ribbon red. The third instruction was to put a circle around the smallest bubble. So the smallest bubble was this one here. You had to use your pencil and draw a circle around that bubble. The fourth instruction was to colour the biggest bubble blue. You had to find the biggest bubble on the worksheet, which is this bubble, and colour it blue. Instruction number 5 was to draw a bubble bigger than all the others. So I have drew a bubble down here that is bigger than the other 3 bubbles. Instruction number 6 was to colour the bubble the girl is blowing green. So the bubble that is attached to the stick that the girl is blowing, you had to colour that green using your colouring pencil or crayon. Instruction number 7 was to find the freckles on the girl's face and go over them with yellow. So the keywords there are freckles and face, and the freckles are the little dots on the girl's cheeks, and you had to go over them using your yellow colouring pencil or crayon. The 8th instruction, if the girl is blowing to make the bubbles, draw a line to show where the air from her mouth must be going. So the key word there is line, to show where the air from her mouth must be going. So if she is blowing a bubble using the stick from the bubbles, the air must be coming from her mouth all the way to the stick to make the bubble. The 9th instruction was to colour the girl's hair orange, and the keywords there are hair and orange. And the last instruction, number 10, was if you think she uses water to make the bubbles, colour the smallest bubble blue. So if you think she uses water to make the bubbles, you would have coloured this bubble blue. Now remember, it's what you think. But if you think she uses dishwashing liquid, which is like soap, colour it green. So I have coloured it green because I think she uses dishwashing liquid to make bubbles. But remember, that's entirely up to you. It's what you think. So your smallest bubble should either be blue or green. Well done, P2 and P3. You have completed your second listen and do activity. Next week's activity is the snowman.